To keep your fish happy and healthy, it's essential to maintain a clean and well-filled aquarium. Regular cleaning is straightforward if done on a schedule to prevent algae buildup. Gather your cleaning supplies, including a water conditioner, algae scraper, dedicated bucket, gravel vacuum, and aquarium-safe cleaner. Start by scrubbing the tank's glass and siphoning out 10 to 50% of the water weekly, depending on nutrient levels. Clean the gravel thoroughly and decorations without using soap, and consider soaking decorations in a bleach solution if needed. After cleaning, replace the old water with fresh, treated water at the same temperature as the tank, ensuring to condition it to remove harmful substances. By following these steps, you'll help maintain a healthy environment for your fish.